Hey, it's Zach with the Gadgeteer. So I got the Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro here. Started it up, went through the whole processing for loading the filament and initial calibration. Pretty easy with the touch screen. Didn't even plug the USB in. It already had a model in the memory somewhere. But first print. It is pretty quick. So we'll see how it does. But it's pretty cool PEI sheet. So it attaches really easily with magnetic attachment. One of my biggest pet peeves is having the USB in the rear of the machine. So this one puts it out in the front. You can also attach a camera device. There are mounts on the top for that. Overall, solid built machine so far. I do like it has metal palms running on steel guides. There are some urethane palms on the side though, but again, less likely to wear out on that axis. It's pretty darn quick. Dual axis. And I do like that it ran a line of filament in the front before it started the print. Woo, it is quick. This is a lot quicker than my old longer. All right, I'll take some pictures at the end.